How to fix Canva not working. So whether you're unable to load the website or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you how to fix Canva not working. Now, first thing you need to do is click on these three vertical dots in your browser and then go and click on extensions. Click on manage extensions and here you'll see a list of all of the extensions installed on your browser. So what we need to do is go and disable all of them just by toggling this button to off. Now, once you've done this, click back on the three vertical dots and go and click on settings. Over in the left hand side, click on About Chrome, click on the Check for Updates button and make sure you're running the latest version of Google Chrome. You can then head back over to the Canva website and check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, click on the three vertical dots once again and click on Settings. Over on the left hand side, select Reset Settings and click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. You'll get this pop up, just go and press the Reset Settings button. You'll then need to restart your browser and once again check if that solves the issue. If it's not working, click back on the three vertical dots and click on New Incognito window. You can try loading Canva from an incognito window and sometimes it can go and work from here. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and you're still facing an issue, then head over to the search engine and just type in Canva down. You then need to click on this top website, which is canvastatus.com. And if there's any kind of global outage or any kind of server errors, then it's going to be listed on this page here. And you'll just need to wait for the Canva support team to go and fix their servers before you'll be able to access the website. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.